Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we'll discuss about the polynomial regression, and in my previous video I explained little bit theoretically what polynomial regression is, but I always prefer to do some kind of coding so that at least you understand the overall the concept very well. So I know probably by this time you're completely aware like what is linear regression, what is multilinear regression, and polynomial regression is just one part actually. Okay. So very much I think you are aware that linear regression is kind of when you are dealing with one feature and one target variable. So first of all, I need all these packages, so that's why I am just running those P's. And then for this session, I am using this auto MPG data from UCI datasets. The link is given here. So by chance, if you need the actual source, you can check it here. But this will be available into my GitHub page. Um, so the second command which I'm running, this is basically giving me this information about the data sets, like what are the features are available, their number of features, and their data types. Okay. Just by seeing this, one thing I observed that horsepower, which is showing object, which is not right in this case. So let's convert this thing to number, and also if there is any null values, remove those null values also, because that will help us to work. Okay, so this step is basically what it is doing. It is just converting the data type of this particular feature. It's removing the null and identified values and dropping this column because we do not need this particular car name column for our work. First, what we will do, we will build linear regression with all these features. In our case, this is our target variable, and we will basically build linear regression, simple linear regression using one variable at a time and try to find out which is the most relevant feature out of this. Okay, so for that I have this code which if I run it, what it will do, it will basically go in a loop X columns. So it will go one by one: calendar, displacement, horsepower, weight, acceleration, model year, origin, and it will build a model and calculate my R square. Okay, I think by this time you all kind of little bit familiar about the R square, which is the metrics which we use for uh, model um, verifications actually. Okay, so you can easily see that R square for weight is actually giving me the highest number, right? So we can say that, okay, this is probably most relevant feature for me to at least start the working and show you the presentation about the polynomial regression. So what my next step is, I wrote a code which is basically take this particular weight feature and it will multiply and make the output like this. So if I run it, it will produce the output like this. So what does it mean? What it is doing exactly, this piece of code? This piece of code is building multiple model. So first model, when it is generating and creating the R square, it is just using the weight. So this is the polynomial one. Second model, when I'm building, that time basically I'm using weight and the weight square. Third model is weight, weight square, and weight cube. And every time I'm calculating the R square. Okay. And just by seeing the values, you can see probably the best one is coming in this degree 3, which is the best one. So this is the best one is coming. Okay. And if I plot this also, the graph will look like this. So what does it mean? It's mean that when we consider this kind of polynomial regression, sometimes it will increase your performance, but after that it will start decreasing. So you have to be very careful, like where exactly you should stop this, because it's not that it will continuously increase and it will decrease after a certain time. So that's the very interesting and critical point. You need to understand what is the stopping point if you want to use this kind of feature, like which is a polynomial feature, then where exactly we need to stop it. Okay, I hope this small presentation will help you to understand what polynomial regression is, and uh, what is the stopping point, how you need to stop all these things. It is clear to you. Hopefully you will like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe the channel. Give me a thumbs up. I will present more such things into my next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.